everyone, welcome to a soul tarot prediction. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. This is the reading for situationship reading, which is related to career or relationship. That means this situation is going on currently with you, either in your career life or in a relationship. This reading is for the month of January 2022. Let's see what's coming up for you, Leos, in the month of January. Okay, so some sort of celebration will be there. You will be celebrating. Maybe you're traveling somewhere, celebrating or partying with your friends or family members. Yes, abundance is on the horizon for you in the month of January. Lots of abundance. Maybe a new person is entering into your life. Maybe a new, a new project you are having. So yeah, some sort of abundance is on the horizon for you. I can also see that, but there is a lack of trust into a situation, so you don't trust situations or the people fully around you. Okay, so there's definitely a lack of trust into a situation. Okay, yes, let's see. uh, you're balancing your pentacles very carefully in the month of January, Leos. uh, you're balancing either a relationship very carefully or else your money related situation very carefully. You are being very wise into a situation when it comes to spending money in the month of January. You might be saving a lot, or you might be thinking to save or to balance your situation, to have that mind to balance your situation a lot. Okay, so yes, I can also see that there is a lack of communication. Either either there is a lack of traveling. You are unable to travel. You want to travel. You want to explore. You want to go to an adventure, which is not happening. Or else there is a situation where there is a lack of communication with someone. There is lack of communication, either with you know with a person or with the family member, or else there is no communication with someone happening. Okay, so yeah, maybe a little bit of up and down is going on right now in the month of January. So yeah, you are also thinking about the instability going on into related to the money or family issues. Okay, so there is overall instability into a family situation or money related situation in the month of January. You need to take care of yourself, but I can also see that in the upcoming months there will be a lot of stability with you guys, because uh, when it comes to reverse, I think that in the upcoming months things will be very 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 nice happening for this thing to occur in a positive way. In the upcoming months things will be taking time, but it will surely be very positive. Okay, I can see that. In your love life situation, Leos, express your love. Go ahead and make the romantic gesture. So here someone is, you are liking someone or someone is coming in your life. So yes, you are going ahead and making some romantic gestures, which is very good. Or you might propose someone, or someone else is liking you, so they might propose you or flirt with you. Okay, I can also see that your love life is influenced by your religious upbringing and a spiritual path. Some of you might be in a twin flame connection, the others of you might be on a spiritual path. Okay, so yes, your guardian angels is supporting you. You are on a spiritual path, guys, which is very good, because sometimes what happens is that God shakes our life in our personal life, shake up our personal life to, so that we can turn our way onto a spirituality. Okay, that is it. So yeah, which is very good. Codependency, addictions are affecting your romantic life. So yes, if you are, there are addictions of watching television, you are addictive to alcohol, you are addictive to smoking. Okay, so some of you have to leave addictions so that your romantic life should not be influenced or affected in any way. Okay, so trust. This situation is calling for you to have faith. So whatever will be happening in your love life, in your romantic life, just think about that there is a trust needed. Okay, just do not lack trust for yourself or for the people you are dealing with in the month of January, because it is being guided by a spiritual path. Okay, Leos, I hope. Let's see. You know what happens is that we need sometimes for ourselves to understand what is going on in our life. So sometimes meditation is really helpful for you guys. So if you are trying that, it will be really good for you. Let's see. These are the universal messages. Let's see. The key to prayer is to forget what I think I need. So when you are praying to the universe or to the God, just pray. Do not expect in return that what will happen. The second, the moment I embrace my peace within and I surrender the outcome, is the moment that the universe can truly get to work. Wow. So you need to surrender to the universe in order to get things aligned. Okay. My capacity to tune in to the energy of love give me the words I need when I am ready to speak up, the compassion I need when it's time to forgive, and the power I need when I'm lost. Wow, this is good. Okay, so I hope you like this reading, Leos. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers, guys. Wishing you all a very, very, very happy new year in advance. And kindly like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. Bye bye. Take care.